early afternoon, where we could see a couple isolated thunderstorms well inland out over towards Salton City. We were continuing to see that on the computer model. After 2 o'clock, the activity really start the day. Could see a little bit of drizzle out of that, but later on in the afternoon, a chance of showers out over toward the mountains and deserts only. So taking a look at your winning weather forecast brought to you by Valley View Casino. Here and there, closer to the coastline here off North County, you can see a couple isolated showers. Also one right towards the coastline in between Encinitas and Del Mar. We're also seeing a couple. I take a look at the Storm Prediction Center outlook. Earlier this morning, we were taking a look at this, and this area that was brown wasn't even there. So they have increased the risk of thunderstorm activity, severe thunderstorm activity in this corridor here. We also have the chance of thunderstorm activity out over Texas, which is the low clouds and low visibility this morning. We're looking live in San Miguel, where we have a really low deck of cloud coverage below 1,000 feet. That's causing visibility to be sharply reduced. Use visibility. The low clouds pretty low this morning, under 1,000 feet for most locations. The visibility has been sharply reduced in Fallbrook down to 1/4 of a mile. Even worse in Ramona. We're here in San Diego. Tomorrow, a slight chance of showers persists, but notice temperatures will be trending up a little bit today, a little bit tomorrow. A little bit more on Wednesday as the clouds tomorrow. So for today, maybe a couple hundredths of an inch of rain at best, but I think even this might be overdoing it because we've seen rain so far today, but it just hasn't been enough to tip the bucket. Maybe a little bit of isolated rain. We're looking live here in San Diego, where you can see some dark looking clouds. We do have some showers right now pushing through, one of them kind of heavier. Nebraska, that's where the highest risk is, where you're seeing that brown here on your screen. Notice we do have that brown shading over Texas, though, right where we see the dry line, which is the boundary between warm and dry air.